Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll see how to replace the air filter of Honda Super Splendor. To access the filter, you have to remove the left hand side panel. For me, this bolt is stuck, so I have to replace the air filter without removing this. This is the new air filter. It will cost you 155 rupees. This clip fits here. And now with the help of the screwdriver, press this clip and guide it into its place. And this second clip fits in here, so ensure that it is in its proper place.